This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crash Bandicoot 4. To begin, you will control Crash or Coco, navigating vibrant levels. Your primary actions include jumping over gaps, spinning to defeat enemies, and sliding under obstacles. Mastering the double jump is crucial for reaching higher platforms and avoiding tricky situations. Practice these core movements to build a strong foundation for your adventure. As you progress, you will encounter powerful quantum masks, each granting unique abilities. Lani Loli allows you to phase certain objects into and out of reality, opening new paths. Kupunawa can slow down time, giving you precious seconds for tricky jumps or dodging fast-moving hazards. Ika Ika lets you flip gravity, enabling you to walk on ceilings and navigate inverted sections. Master these powers to overcome complex challenges. Beyond simply finishing levels, Crash Bandicoot 4 offers numerous collectibles and challenges. Each level contains 164 crates. Smashing them all earns you a clear gem. You can also collect 3 Wumpa Fruit gems by gathering 25, 50, and 75% of the Wumpa Fruit. Additionally, complete challenging time trials to earn platinum, gold, or silver relics, testing your speed and precision. For the ultimate challenge, strive for N. Sanely perfect runs which require completing a level without losing a single life. This demands flawless execution and deep-level knowledge. Also, keep an eye out for hidden bonus levels, offering additional Wumpa Fruit and crates. Finally, replay levels in N-verted mode, which presents a mirrored, visually distinct experience with altered gameplay elements, adding immense replay value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.